Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel A Lifestyle with Nazo. I hope you all are doing so well. First of all, Jumma Mubarak to all of you and a very happy Friday to everybody around the globe. So today I'm gonna share with you a YouTube tutorial because there are so many people who are opening up their channels on YouTube and they need to learn how to upload the videos on YouTube. So when I was starting my channel, I had to learn everything on my own and I had to watch a lot of tutorials. So I thought, why don't I create a simple tutorial that could be helpful to other people, and people who are new to YouTube, they can get benefit out of it. So let's go and let me show you how to go through the whole process and how to upload your videos. Alright guys, so let's start how to upload the video. So first you are going to press on the YouTube icon and you are going to go on YouTube. Then you are going to look for your channel. So I went on my channel, I pressed your channel, and these are all the videos that have been uploaded on my YouTube channel. So these are all the vlogs that are longer. So we are going to scroll through them. Then you're going to press these are shorts. So press on shorts, and these are all the short video. To upload the video now, you are going to go on the plus sign at the bottom, and you are going to do video, and you are going to select videos from your photos in your phone or in your laptop or in your iPad. You are going to press upload. It's going to be uploaded. Now you have to put a title on your video. So I'm gonna put, like, since it's a landscape, so I'm gonna say landscape of Nashville. And then you have to add description under it. So you can add any description on it. You can say the view of a hiking park in Nashville, or you can say anything you want. You can elaborate it. You can also add hashtags into it, so that there are some hashtags added to your, like I would add hashtag Nashville, hashtag landscape, hashtag greenery, hashtag parks. Then you have to press if it's public or if it's private. So always, if you want to share, so share it as a public video. And then they will ask you two options, so always put no, it's not made for kids, and then press the upload button and your video will be uploaded on your YouTube. So now let's go back and show you how to upload a short video. So again, you are going to go back to shorts and you are going to press the plus button at the bottom and you are going to say video. So you pick any video from your library, and I'm picking this video from my photo library. Again, I'm going to add a title on it. I'm gonna say Karahi Gosht, so since it's a Karahi Gosht cooking video. And then I'm going to also add a description into it, and I can write anything, and then I'm gonna write no, it's not made for kids, and then you press upload button at the bottom. That's how your video will be uploaded in shorts. So short videos are always like less than a minute. Now let's go back and look for, these are all the videos that are longer. Now let's go back and let me show you. I'm again going to press on my channel and manage videos, press that. So if you need to edit your videos, you can always add your videos into different playlists. So these are all the playlists that I have created. So I added my video into inspirational, and then once you press that, then you can save it so that it stays in your playlist. So as I'm gonna show you, if you look at my channel, I have different playlists and we are gonna scroll through. So these are all the playlists on my channel. So let's pick one of the playlists. These are all the cooking videos. So you can see it's listed as cooking videos, and you have so many videos under the cooking. So if somebody is searching cooking videos and they look for cooking video, these are all the options on my channel. Now let's look at different education videos. These are all the education videos on my channel. As you can scroll through all the preschool resources, all the preschool videos, and videos about my school where I work. Let's look for coffee videos. These are all the short videos that are listed in the coffee videos, and they're also listed as shorts. So you can also edit your videos once you have uploaded them. If you want to make any changes to them, you go on my channel, you go on manage videos, you click on that, and so let's see, I'm gonna show you how you can edit them. So you can click on manage videos, and then you can go into, you can press on these three dots and you will see all these options. Then you press on edit, and then you can change the title, you can change the thumbnail, you can change anything if you want to make any changes into your posted videos. Okay, excuse my voice because my throat is not well. So let's see, so this is the video that I have already uploaded. You can also add subtitles to your video. Here I couldn't do it on my iPad because my settings, I had to do them, but there is a little icon on your this square icon. If you press that on your video, it's going to turn on the subtitles on your video. You can set it to English, so they will start appearing on your video. So this is the way to add the subtitles on your videos. And then let's go back to my channel, let's scroll through. So you can always, this is the way to add the video. You can always go on manage videos, and then if you want to change anything on your channel, you can always go through the you can go on your channel, and then it will take you to manage videos, and through manage videos then you can make any changes in your videos if you want to do that. So alright guys, so let me show you how to add a short video. So you go on your YouTube icon, you press on YouTube, and then you go and press on your channel, and you click on your picture, you go on your channel, and then you click on shorts. So once you click on shorts, then you are going to press the upload video button at the bottom, and then you go in your photo library and you choose the video that you have to upload in shorts. So I am choosing this 20-second video. Once you choose your video, you can always add a text on it. There is a icon at the bottom, text. I'm gonna add being grateful. You can also choose different colors when you add the text. Then you can add your favorite music on it. Click on the music. I am going to click Pink Venom. You press the blue arrow and it's going to take you to the song, and the song will be added on your video. You can always add also the filters on it. So then you press on public, and you want to keep it public, and then you can say select audience. So you are going to click on no, it's not made for kids, and then you press on the upload button and your video will be added in the shorts. So this is how simple it is. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and do let me know if you liked it. I tried to show you how to add your vlogs on YouTube, and also how to add shorts on it, how to create your playlists on YouTube, and how to edit your videos at the same time. So let me know if it was helpful for you, and I will keep recording more tutorials as the time passes. So it's a process of learning, and we all learn together and we all help each other. If I know something, I'm going to share with all of you, and that's how I learn from other people as well. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Enjoy your Friday. Stay safe. Let's pray for Pakistan, and spread positivity. Keep smiling and have a very wonderful weekend ahead of you. Take care. Bye.